Hello fellow Hallyu lovers, we are all multi-stans here. So starting out with this video, we would love to speak more about other artists and will need your support. Comment down below which other K artists would you like us to swoon over next. Enjoy the video. Annyeonghaseyo yorobun. My name is Priyanka and today we have three special guests with us.
Hi, I'm Neha.
Hi, I'm Anushka.
Hi, I'm Ayushi.
So today we are going to talk about something special. Are you excited?
Yes.
I am.
We are going to talk about BTS, the phenomena. Because it's BTS, we need to talk about them, right?
Yes.
Of course.
So, my first introduction to K-pop was through BTS. How about you guys?
BTS.
Not really, but then I got to know BTS.
Yeah, same for me, I guess.
BTS was the start for a lot of K-pop fans as we know today. And why did you choose BTS, or why are you fans of BTS?
Because it's BTS. 2016 I came to know about BTS through Blood, Sweat and Tears, and the moment I saw the videos, and I'm like,
We can all relate, I'm sure. It pulled you right in.
yeah, I saw the video, I had to get their names. It took me a really long time because names, faces and everything, but yeah, it just got me.
And how about you?
I actually got to know about them through the song Dope. I mean, like, their choreography was their choreography was too good. And I think after that, like, same with faces, names and all that was a bit difficult. But I think their story was really interesting to get to know about. So, I mean, I guess that's how we got to know.
I mean that each song has a different story
I
agree. All connected. It's
The BTS universe.
Oh
Yeah.
That's
For me,
blows
it
my
was
mind.
like I started around 2014, late 2014, 2015. I heard No More Dream, but I did not get much into it because I was like a big fan of EXO and all like that. Get it? So then when I Need You came, I was like really hooked. Because I really liked the storyline, how they were going on about their, promotions and all of
Did
that.
you celebrate their first win?
I did. I was there. So I did. It was really good. So I just like how they don't do it the normal way, like releasing song once a year thing. They always have their fans hooked on. They continuously
They have a
keep.
pattern kind of
Yeah,
thing.
Like they engage with the audience throughout. They engage with their fans throughout the year. It's not like a one-off thing. And I like how they release twice.
Yeah, and it's
So the
not
storyline.
It's not just the music, it's even the viewers, V-Live and everything. Everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah, exactly.
Getting into K-pop itself, it was a completely new universe, and then they
Yeah.
had their own universe in it. So
Yeah.
that was a completely different experience.
It's like a whole rabbit hole in itself. Like, I think even today we, discover new stuff even though we've been fans for so long.
True.
Like, I
Yeah.
recently discovered, when I saw In the Soup, I was really surprised by their dynamics.
Yes.
I already knew about it, but then when you see it happening in real time, it's actually quite fun.
I just saw the episode yesterday.
Yeah, that's
I was
The
really
second-
watching it.
the
Don't
second
give me
season-
spoilers.
The second season is also on another level only.
Oh
Another
yeah,
level.
that
The
is.
first one was okay. The second one was like, now they have drones and everything.
The
They're
best part
for
was
storyline. So
They've got their own castle now. So imagine
Yeah.
they went from living in
my God.
one room, so now they have their own castle. The
producing
BTS
the
castle.
song in a garage, and now it's like
oh,
high label.
high
Oh my
building. Oh
God.
my
Like,
God.
yeah.
Why
They
do you
even
guys
upgraded
think,
the building.
what would be your opinion? Why is this happening to BTS out of all people? Why BTS
Only
out of all
BTS,
groups?
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
I just feel it's their dedication. I mean, all the group does have dedication, but I just feel their dedication and their team, the PR, the company, whatever they put into the, a single video, like a 5-second video they do,
Yeah.
it's next level.
I feel when they, you spoke about videos, when they shot the Spine Breaker video, that was
Yes.
Oh, and the
And
hair,
and
that
it
was
was
so
so,
funny.
you could see all the efforts they put into it.
Yeah.
And even though it was funny and meant to be funny,
Yeah.
it hooked us because it was the BTS funny and it was not
Yeah.
the usual
Yes,
funny that
yes.
you get.
True.
There was a lot of craziness that went on, and it just made it all the more special.
The actual
Yeah.
BTS.
Yes.
So according to me, I feel like what made them different is that their whole company, the whole everybody knew what the fans want to watch.
Yeah,
You know, they
definitely.
had it thorough. You know, they knew like, so every K-pop thing, every K-pop idols, they just release one song a year, right? So now fans keep waiting, they get tired of it.
Yeah.
What they do is they don't do that. They know fans need more. So they obviously release twice. I mean, that's how far they can go. I mean, it takes a lot of time to prepare a song, right? An album after all. So they do that twice. But after that, they also have their, obviously, the promotional part. And then once it's all done, even during their vacation, they take us with us.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
take us, you know, with them. So it's just like continuously with us
A lot.
throughout the year.
They have winter
They do a
package
lot,
and
yeah.
Everything.
The kind of content we've been subjected to, like, it's endless.
I agree.
Exactly, yeah.
Like, there's always something to discover. There's always something
Always.
you're missing out on. If
Yes.
you go on
Yeah.
like any social media platform, oh, I did not know
I
this
didn't
was
know, yeah.
happening. Something
Yeah.
new is happening every 1 hour, you know, like, so there is something new to discover and something new to talk and learn every time. Like, it's not just, you know, enjoying somebody's music, but it's also about, you know, getting to learn through them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like, people have started, like, their books have sold out, novels have sold out
yes.
because
Because-
these guys were reading
Yeah.
it. So, you know, people bought into books because of that.
Same.
People
Yeah.
started planting. People started, like, forestry.
Namjooning, basically.
Basically,
True.
basically, you're not doing what BTS does. So that has, you know, in some way enhanced, you know, the entire experience for the fans as well as the group who, you know, wants to keep doing like better
Yeah.
things and get good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel
One
like,
thing I can say is the new fans have a lot to catch
oh
up on.
yeah,
Literally.
definitely. Like people who are gotten in like the dynamite era.
This era, yeah.
This is
And
just
people
killing.
who just like joined, like, you know, after listening to the English
English
songs,
song,
and
the
they
Bio
are
Dynamite. So much.
So much,
behind.
yeah. I mean, right now with work and everything, it's hard to catch up on what they do time to time, right? But I still have so much to catch up on.
Yeah,
That's just weird. Like even after
Knowing them for
in this
so
soap
many
also,
years.
I have to like catch up on 2-3 episodes more now. That's just how back I am.
I feel like with BTS, like how she said, like how Big Hit knows what the fans want. I feel like in the reason why they have such a big, like they have so much power in like the global scene is because Big Hit understood, you know, what the international fans wanted
Yes.
as well. Like I mean, since the start they have been, you know, trying the American market. While a lot of other companies have also done it with a lot of other groups, but they never were able to reach that kind of success that BTS had.
Yes.
Because even like in 2013 when they had that whole thing about learning about hip hop in US.
Yes.
Well, while I don't want to watch all of those,
Yeah.
but that was like another thing.
I don't
But
know.
then that just started, gave them that real jump start into success. I think 2016 was when they like
Really
caught on.
Fire.
Everywhere.
after
Oh,
fire.
yeah.
I
Oh my
got
God.
Fire.
Fire.
was crazy.
I got through Fire, so I was like, what is this? And then they were listening to Dope and I was like, what is this song?
Yeah.
So like the entire, you know, you get into it and then you keep getting
Getting,
into it.
getting,
And then you
getting.
discover there's like just, you were like a 1%, you know, like
Yeah.
a percent of it, that's
Also,
all.
another thing that they really differentiated them from other K-pop idols was the theory thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So that is what like kept everyone hooked on to like, okay, now what
Now
more,
what?
what more, what next? That's the thing that, you know, kept everyone to, even if they started late, they wanted to go back and know from the start like what the story.
And now
Yes.
other groups have started, you know, following
The
Same
pattern,
patterns.
yeah.
Even we've seen with like Tomorrow by Together, and that has like the
Yes.
Star Seekers. That's another thing that's hooked us.
Yeah.
So that pattern is getting followed by other people also, which is like so amazing. Like they've set a standard for this.
Yeah. Even in Hypen, like even in Hypen is doing that a lot
Yeah.
now. Like their vampire theory and all that is actually BTS has started it all. Like what you had said was right. I mean,
Yeah, like even in terms of like releasing songs more than once a year, like 80s they do that. They like they give the fans the choice to choose which, you know,
Yeah.
which song do they want
Which
to see
song they
first.
want.
But they release the both of the music videos,
yeah,
which is also a good
yeah.
idea.
It's a good
And
concept.
the entire, you know, what we know of K-pop now, like BTS have set themselves apart because, you know, their entire music videos, I'm sure other groups have also, you know, done the same thing. But what they've done is their entire high quality videos, like the lengths at which, you know, they go to just make one video, the On Manifesto film.
Oh,
That is a
wow.
wonderful, like,
That was
it
like
is
a
a
surprise.
masterpiece.
That was too good.
And it was shot in like a dam where it is like, you know, in the middle of the day, like noon, everybody's sweating, but then they are working
Yes.
equally
So
as hard.
hard.
Like even the Jimmy Fallon performance was so good. It hyped me up.
Yeah.
Like when they started screaming, the back dancers were like screaming.
Oh,
yes.
It was so
I am getting goosebumps again. I don't know why.
It was just too
It's
good.
just so good.
Yeah.
And even then, what they did for like last year, when the world was going through pandemic, and then they wanted to do different performances.
Yes.
They rented out airports, they rented out bridges. They like this class
All the way out.
It is like going all the way out, and then
different,
it did.
completely
Yeah,
different.
really
I mean,
different.
now they have the caliber to do all of that.
Oh, definitely.
Yes, and when they came,
did not,
yeah.
totally got through with their hard work, and I still miss that kind, those times when they worked hard so much. Like they still do,
They
they still
still
work
do.
hard a lot, but it's just they deserve to be here where they are.
deserve.
It
Yeah,
just
yeah,
feels like
definitely.
if you see the whole story, you feel like yes.
Yeah, like when they
deserve to be
mentioned,
here.
when they
Yeah.
would clean the, walls of, the mirrors with newspapers.
Yeah.
When their entire, dancing room, their practice room was flooded with water, and yet they were
Yes,
working hard.
and-
Like this is the story that we have, learned of after
Learned.
joining the
Yeah.
fandom, and like we are so impressed. Like somebody would be that dedicated to take it forward.
Yeah, that's true.
And for some reasons, BTS actually became the reason for me to keep on going. Like they always said that it took them 7 to 8 years to become the BTS they are right now, right? So it's just like it gives me, a kind of thing like, okay, Priyanka, you can do it. They took 7 years, probably you'll take 8 years, more than them. But still, it will happen.
Yeah.
It
Yeah.
will happen.
Yeah, like they've inspired a lot
They have
of
inspired
people.
so
It's-
much.
People have started like consultations, people have started, help groups because of them. Like not just plantations, but these guys are going all in for getting inspired by a group so much.
So much. And their love yourself thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
It's
yes.
so
Such a
dear
beautiful
to me.
campaign. Such a beautiful.
So
Making
dear.
a video where you're just like talking about a theme and everything is fine, but actually speaking on social causes and like addressing them through music, that's just a whole another level. And they started that through K-pop, I feel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In K-pop, basically.
And actually coming forward and telling, like their stories that even they had moments where they couldn't actually love themselves is
True.
actually connecting, because there are moments like everyone,
of
like
course.
even if I just don't love myself at few moments, but even them coming, like them being BTS coming out and telling, and then me relating, it's like
Yeah, there's someone is there.
Like,
I mean, at their level,
you are
there's
there.
someone.
You are there for me.
Yeah,
Even they
yeah.
are in Seoul and India, still I was like, we are connected. Kahin na
When
kahin-
Jimin said,
kahin-
Yeah.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
somebody will be there in
Somebody
Seoul to
will be there.
understand
Yeah,
you.
understand. And they are there.
Yeah.
And like when Namjoon, RM also mentioned that you can use E to become happy.
Yeah,
I was
oh my god, that
Everybody was
I always
crying.
cried.
I was crying.
Yeah,
That
that's true.
speech is just too beautiful.
I
It
can't
hits
see them crying.
real
Oh, I
bad.
can't.
Yeah.
And then they obviously had fights.
Oh,
Yes, the
yes.
pranking.
And he did not even hesitate. He did not even hesitate. Yeah, like the elders too, they also kind of help him out.
So big
That
deal.
kind of leap is just magical, and
They are obviously
But then
really
again, Korean
handsome.
guys are cute.
Korean
everything.
guys
Yeah.
cute.
so-
Yes.